Good morning, children. Myself Rajesh Dikruz. Welcome to e-learning classes provided by Sanakas Academy. Children, again we are going to have class 7 civics, democracy, chapter 1. Already we had 3 lectures of these lessons. Today we will have lecture 4. That is why we written part 4. Today we will talk about problem of inequality. Despite the equal status granted by our constitutions to every Indian, there are various types of inequality in our society. Children, government has given right and constitution grants us equality. Before the law, we are equal, but in spite of that, still there is inequality in the society. And this inequality is increased by we people. We people are divided among so many castes, and the lower caste are exploited by the upper caste people. Talking, the lower caste have faced severe discriminations. Any contact with the untouchables was considered to be polluting for the upper caste. Talking, the lower caste are considered untouchables, and the upper caste people, if they keep any contact, if they go on any touch, that means they feel themselves that they are polluted. So these discriminations are brought by we people, we who are started the castes. That is why talking about Mahatma Gandhi led a long struggle against untouchability and worked for the welfare of the so-called lower caste, fight against inequality. Talking about fight against inequality. Mahatma Gandhi led a long struggle for this bad evil. He called the lower caste people Harijans. People of God, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, the father of the Indian Constitution, he was also a Dalit. He was also discriminated. So Mahatma Gandhi led a long struggle to remove this inequality among the societies. And this was very bad evil which put discriminations among the society. That is why Constitution's provisions in the Constitution's Article 15 says that there should be no discriminations. Okay, Constitution Article 15 says there should be no discriminations. There should be no discrimination. We cannot discriminate among ourselves regarding any caste, any language, any birthplace, religions, any sex. We cannot discriminate among selves. Article 15, 100% it prohibits about these discriminations. Again talking about the Article 16. Article 16 says about the equality. Article 16 makes clear that we all are equal. Equality of opportunity in matter relating to public employment or appointment to any office under the case. We all are equal regarding the matter of any opportunity given by the government or the property that is of the government. Also, talking about the Article 17, it says about the untouchability. Article 70 talks about untouchability. That means we cannot feel. Article 17 says about the untouchability that we cannot feel, we cannot experience among ourselves that untouchability. There is punishable if we feel, if we practice untouchability, the people will be punished if the claim is made. So, Article 17 says, declares untouchability and it practices in any form as provided, and the enforcement of any disability arising out of the untouchability as an offence is punishable in accordance with the law. If anybody in the society having the practice of untouchability, he will be punished if they are made complaint. Okay, children. So we will complete this. Tomorrow we will have the exercise. Whatever I taught, according to that, I'll give you the question answer. Please get ready and do the question answers. Okay, this is the homework. First, how did the upper caste consider polluted themselves? Second, why did Mahatma Gandhi lead a long struggle? Third, what does the Article 15 say? So you write the question answers and please subscribe my video and also share it. Again we will meet next lecture for the exercise question answer. Okay children, bye. See you again.